Hey there guys and gals, my name is Luke, this is Beautiful Susie, and this is the Outdoor Gear Review. Now, it has been a while since we've done a viewer mail unboxing, opening, and so on. So we have quite a bit to go through today.
Yes, so today is viewer mail explosion.
Woo! Guys, thank you all so much for supporting the channel, for sending us the cards, the letters, the packages, and so on. We really do appreciate it. You know, never do we want you all to feel like we do not appreciate you all, because we really do.
Definitely do.
So with that being the case, why don't we start with the first package, which is right here. This is from our good buddy Kevin at Texas Good Gloves.
He has sent in some more gloves for Luke and for myself, and these have been so nice.
Oh, yeah.
They are super warm, fleecy on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
It's still chilly around here, and they have come in handy.
So incredibly nice.
Yep.
I tell you what, his company has the best gloves. If you guys need gloves for any sort of situation, pleasure, work, whatever, pleasure gloves. Maybe I should say leisure.
A leisure.
Kevin has gloves for pleasure. You can write him about that and ask him.
Kevin is not going to be happy with you.
That's okay. Anyways, you know, like Susan and I, we have been wearing these for the last couple of months, and we've been a little bit slow on getting this video done. It just, every single time that we've gone out to film it, it hasn't worked out. So now we have a pile of packages here. So we have been wearing these.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Yep, and there's still plenty of mornings to wear them still, as it is chilly. It's chilly today as we're doing this video.
That's
but
right.
Anyway, thank you, Kevin. Awesome. We still use the gloves that you sent in the past. The kids are using the gloves.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone has a pair of gloves, and
It's all because of you.
yeah.
Yep. Thank you so much. So, guys, make sure to check out Texas Good Gloves for all of your pleasure and work needs. That's weird.
That is weird.
I'm leaving that in, though, Kevin. Sorry.
All right, so let's move on to the next package.
Okay.
I mean, guys, we have so many packages.
So
to
many
get through.
packages. All right, this one comes from Alan, and this is pretty cool.
This was the best thing to get in the mail.
Yes, got moose. Hell yeah. That's been on the fridge for, I don't know, the
For a
last month or
while,
so.
yeah. So,
And that's where it's going back. And this was like a main magnet.
yeah,
Yeah.
very cool.
Got moose. That's cool.
We love it. Thank you.
Yeah, that's really, really cool. Thanks, buddy.
Next package that we have is, I'll let you look at this.
Okay.
And this comes from Joe. He loves the channel. Anyway, he's sending you a pretty cool piece of gear. He saw a video
Cool.
on this product, and he thought that you might enjoy looking at it. He says some reviews are terrible, but he doesn't think people understand how to use it. So hopefully you'll be able to show how to use it.
So this is from CNOC Outdoors. This is a hydration bladder of sorts, but it doesn't have a hose, as you can see here.
So
I'm sure you can hook this up to like a Sawyer product or something like that.
yeah, he says its purpose and where it really shines is to make your Sawyer Squeeze,
Oh, yeah,
Mini,
okay.
whatever, any filter with the same thread pattern a lot better.
Right.
So he says
Yeah.
that you guys understand that Sawyer filters are great, but the pouches that they come with are terrible.
Suck.
So this is something that replaces them and solves the problem.
Thank you so much, my friend. Joe, you are appreciated, buddy.
Let's move on to this.
Okay.
Okay. Are you gonna do it?
What's in the box?
So this is so cool.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
We have the Lone Wolf snapback hat.
That is pretty darn
That
sweet.
is very cool.
Yeah, check that out, folks. Hopefully you guys can see that there. It says Lone Wolf.
I love it.
I do too.
Yeah.
That's a really, really nice hat.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to keep this in my office. I think
Yeah.
that's a good place for it. That way I
Yeah.
could just look at it every day. I'll be thinking of you, buddy. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Lone Wolf on Lone Wolf.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
I tell you what, we have the best viewers. Don't we?
Absolutely. All right.
What the hell is this?
This is a fun box.
What is in that box?
Okay, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Whoa. What is it? Instant iced milk coffee.
There's actually 2 of these
Wow.
bags in here. Wow.
I have a fire over here going because it's cold this morning, so all I smell is smoke at the moment.
All right, so the coffee comes from Chris and Julina. And they say thank you for all your videos. Basically, you know, they started out driving to a campsite. They had like an 8-person tent. They had their SUV filled with gear, from an SUV full of stuff to a 50-liter Osprey backpack. That is awesome.
Good job, guys.
Good job, guys.
You really can do more with less in the
Yeah.
outdoors. I think that's the key.
Yeah, less is more.
Right.
You know, and you will find as you get more experience that that's what it's all about. And
Yeah.
when you have to carry every single thing, you really focus in, okay, what do I really need? But anyway, they tried this coffee and they say it's perfect. You can have it as iced coffee or hot coffee, cream and sugars included.
Yeah.
That is very cool.
Wow. You know, it feels like there's like multiple packages on the inside.
Yeah, that will be great to have
Okay,
on
it
our
sticks.
trips. Yeah.
Well, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's check it out.
Cool. This will be fun to try.
Sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Looks good.
It does look good. Thank you guys so much for thinking of us and sending this in. This is really, really cool.
Yeah, it is. Thank you all so much. You guys are appreciated. So with the last package here, this one goes to Susie, and I think she needs to say what's in the box.
Okay. What's in the box?
She doesn't really sound... Say it with more conviction.
What's in the box?
Getting scarier.
I just can't do it. I just can't do it.
That's okay.
Okay, so this is very cool, very special. I've actually already opened this.
She's been wearing this for a while.
I have been wearing it, so. Anyway, guys, check this out. This right here says it all. It is Bunny.
Yep. Susie's bunny. She's Trail Bunny.
Yep, Trail Bunny.
Yep.
And this comes from our friend Jari. I hope we are pronouncing names right. Sorry if we're wrong. But it says this one's for you, Susan. That is so cool. Thank
Yeah,
you
that's
so
awesome.
much. And apparently you knew about this, didn't
Yes,
you?
yes, I did actually. Jari really went above and beyond. Super, super kind.
Yes.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Anyway, so check this out, guys. This is a Fayal Raven jacket. I love the color about it. This is like Luke's Greenland jacket that he has, except this is the women's version. And it's super warm.
Put that thing
Super
on. You want to
warm.
put it on?
Yeah, I've been wearing it.
Yeah.
And of course, I had to put it back in the box for our viewer mail episode.
But she's been wearing this for like the last month or so. That is one nice jacket.
It is so nice.
And it really fits you well. It looks great on you.
Yes, I love it. I love it. It is so warm.
Yep.
I'm absolutely blown away. I'm so appreciative. This is so cool to get something like this in the mail. I was just so tickled and really, really surprised. So maybe Luke can flash the picture. When this came in the mail, I had sent him a text and he was like, oh yeah, go ahead and open that. You're gonna love it. And I sent him this I was just shocked. So maybe he can flash the picture, but this has been great. Absolutely love it. I know Luke loves his jacket that he has.
Oh, gosh,
he wears
yeah.
it all the time.
Well worth the money.
Very. Yep.
Yep.
So anyway, thank you. I really can't say thank you enough. This is very cool.
Now you guys can see the 4Runner right here. I think we need to take this out for an overland adventure. What do you guys think? How awesome would that be? So coming up soon, everyone, we are either going to have a military overnight adventure or an overland adventure.
That's right. I know what my vote is, so we'll see what everyone else thinks.
That's right. For this adventure, the Patreon folks, they actually get to decide which adventure it's going to be. Right now it's a tie, so we shall see.
We'll see.
Yeah.
And I'll just go ahead and throw it out there really quick. We appreciate all the support that we get from our patrons, from the viewers. We have zipper pulls and patches up on our website. If you want to support us that way, we'll be glad to send you one of those.
Anyway, so we're getting off track here. You guys rock. Thank you all so very much. Until next time, strength and honor. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bunny.
Bunny. Bunny signing off here.
Gray Bush signing off.
Look how cute that is. I love it.
Looks just like her.